Claire McKeown was due on. It was tea time. It went. I was on the mornings. It just went. It just stopped, and that was very, very frightening because suddenly I realised, well, here I am now. What do I do? How am I going to keep it going? And you see, you have to keep it going because it's not about options. It's about what do I do? Because your options, many of them were. The rug was pulled from under you, so you had to try and find a way to continue.
You would have had a family at that stage, and you were
still have.
Very good.
In fairness,
and you were faced with the prospect after being in gainful and full employment.
Yeah.
And that's the great thing about a radio gig is that you're going into the office every day. But after that many years, you had to go down the Dole office. And you see people are like, "There's Marty Whelan down the Dole office." That must have been.
That's your man.
Yeah.
There's your man from where is it? And there's all that sense of what that's about. I was lucky. Insofar as, I wasn't lucky insofar as I had to sign on. That was awful. And going around a few times doing circles of the office before you could go in, and ringing home and saying I can't do this. I mean, it was a very, very strange feeling. But for me, and I had to do it. But for me, what scared me was I realised I had to keep it going, and it's how do you keep it going? So what do you do? Well, people were great. People would roll down windows and wave at you and say, "Yeah, all right." And amazing taxi drivers and stuff who recognised you or wish you well. And nobody ever rolled down a window and said, "Get up the yard,